blue, similar to the style of the Minnesota Timberwolves. If you are watching the NBA, kanina we have witnessed for me, a game na talagang nakita, talagang nasubaybayan natin. Sobrang, that is one of the most amazing games I've ever watched. Seeing Kanta close out a game. 4 straight 3-pointers lamang lang naman pala yung kanyang ginawa to help his team win. What more dito sa ating mga tutunghayan pa sa ating araw for today. Isang magandang umaga sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin. First 2 points will belong to Region 2. Again, this is my first time seeing both teams in action, both Davao and Region 2. At lagi nga ng tulad kong sinasabi, excited akong makakita ng bagong brand ng basketball. Excited akong makakita kung papaano laruin ng mga players yung kanilang mga style dito sa Manila as PJ Tungkol scores his basket and early 3-pointer carrying in para dito sa kampo ng Davao. Nice fake. That shot. Basket is good. And one once again. PJ Tungkol. Back-to-back points yan. He got that basket to go plus the contact. Bitin nga lang ang kanyang 3-point play pero 4 out of their 6 points galing kay Tungkol. Meanwhile for Davao, tignan natin sino ang kanilang magiging bayani dito. And let's see what style are they going to show us. That floater dropping in perfectly that time. Setting the tone here for Davao. 6-5 ang ating score. Stepping through for that 3. Had a clean look. Di nga lang na ipasok ni Renz Layusan. Yung kanyang, Layugan I should say. Yung kanyang basket right there para dito sa Kaapong Cagayan. Turning the ball away. Looking for the attack. Davao, first lead of the game. Hindi pa manggagaling. Falling down, recovering, extra pass. There you go. Unang kalamangan mapupunta dito sa kampo ng Davao after that beautiful move. 6 minutes 5 remaining. Dito sa ating opening quarter, Castillo will use this pick. Attacks on the left, bitin. PJ. Hindi makakakuha ng basket pero babalik sa free throw area itong si PJ Tungkol. Meron siyang 4 points already. 4 sa kanilang 6 galing dito kay Tungkol. Knocks down the first one. Kanina yung basket ng Davao, I believe, went into Pineda.
Ligan ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, ligan ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga.
5:30 remaining. Kanila ang possession. Let's see if they can convert and break the ice here once again. Looking to break free. Bago pa makadiskarte ng tira, merong tulak na naitawag. As he went all the way, itong si Patrick Torrejas. 7-all ang ating score. Looking for that quick inbound play. It is intercepted immediately. Looking to make something work here. John Lester Castillo. Bitin yung kanyang layup kanina. That time he was erased. Good anticipation and rejection that time by the big man. Just waiting at the right time to swat that shot. Here's PJ. Losing the ball. Good defense by the guys from Davao. Di diskarte on this drive. Binitbit. Uses the glass for safety. JP Kudo. Using work of that glass. Again, the score is 9-7. Again, meron lang tayong malfunction sa scoreboard. 9-7 po ang ating score dito. Opening moments ng ating laro dito. 4 minutes 5. PJ. Sabi ng mga players ng Davao, ref, baka pwedeng i-traveling mo yan. Sabi ng ating referees, merong tulak on PJ Tungkol. Once again will be at the line. Knocks down the first one. He has 6 points. He has 7 at least. Make it 8 para dito kay PJ Tungkol. Scoring majority of their points here. 7 of their 9. Galing dito kay PJ Tungkol. Meanwhile for Davao, they will turn the ball away. Looking to beat this defender one-on-one. A bit of a stare down. Laguyan able to finish off that lefty lay-in. Another anticipation on that steal, on that pass I should say. Laguyan wants the ball but Castillo decides to drive. Drops it off. It is on the side of the players from Davao. Kudo sends it on the left side, goes on the middle. Merong foul na itatawag. Only 2-point lead with 3:09 remaining. Misses on the first. Can't hit both. Itong si Agustin Gorea cannot hit both free throws. 11-9. Balik ang kalamangan dito sa Region 2. Davao already had at least a part of the lead kanina. But because of that steal, that layup by Laguyan, nabawian on the other side, taking the ball and finishing it home. Good layup. I believe that is Patrick Torrejas making that steal and that read. Layugan. Didiskarte once again. Nice drop. Was anticipated on that last play. Goes for that slow-mo drive. 1-pound dribble. No problem on the other side. 13-11. Can they get the ball back? Talking about players from Davao. Before that shot, a spin. Merong foul na itatawag on a roll done. So Danga was looking to make his move. Natawagan siya ng foul ng kanyang defender. Layugan na istilan kanina ni Torrejas. Goes for that drive on the left side. Too strong of a finish. James Caraw makes it. Kudo couldn't make that basket as well. 13 all with a minute 20 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Just an amazing show here. A 3 on the way. No 3-pointers yet para dito sa Region 2. Fakes, better defense once again. Davao holding their ground on defense as we approach the final minute in the opening quarter. Didiskarte si Gustin. Sends it for that one leg fade. That is off the mark. Solid rebound by Carao. Will push the pace once again and have the lead. Payugan. Company looking for the shot off the mark para kay Danga. It is recovered by the guys in white. Another 3 attempt. That is way off. Davao wala pa, or I should say meron na isang 3-pointer. Itong Region 2. Hindi pa makakuha. The players from Apong Cagayan. Hindi pa makakuha ng outside shot for today. Final 21 seconds in this first quarter action. Tabla tayo at 13. Region 2 Cagayan. Didiskarte as Baltasar finally knocks down their first 3-pointer. Praymark enters the game, goes to the middle, hits that 3, gives them a 3-point lead. Pero bigla-bigla namang gustong bawiin ni JP Kudo ang kalamangan dito, or at least inch closer with a free throw attempt. Knocks down the first. One more time, knocking down the second. 16-15, isa lamang ang kalamangan ng Region 2 because of that 3 by Fraymark Baltazar. Final 2 seconds to go, needing to hurry. Not aware of that clock, that possession. Matatapos tayo sa ating opening quarter with a 1-point lead by Region 2, 16-15. And this end of the first quarter brought to us by Domo Domo, Slurp, Enjoy, and Smile. Second quarter action dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo dito sa loob ng Banana Court, the home of the Pocket League ng MPBL or the Junior MPBL, and that push, kitang-kita naman ng ating referees yun. Merong konting gigil. Itong si Modrio. Let's see if they can get that possession back. Sayang yon para sa Davao. Could have at least given them the lead. PJ Tungkol had 8 points. Layugan will call for this pick. 2 seconds to go. Again, not looking at the shot clock. That's the second shot clock violation called on the side of Region 2. Meanwhile, Davao, ito na yung bawi nila, but a steal on the other side is made Goes for that drive, breaking free. Nice recovery. Here's Mordillo, or Modrio I should say. Setting up a teammate for that deuce. Balik ang kalamangan dito sa Davao, 17-16. Way from downtown. Hindi makakakuha ng pagkakataon. Here's JP Kudo. What a move. Quick first step. Strong gather, and that layup is good. 16-19 ang ating score dito. A 3-point lead I should say on the side of Davao. Looking to make another shot and another opportunity. That is a nice trip on the run for their 6th straight point. Davao coming out of the gates hot dito sa ating second quarter of action. Bump action for PJ Tongkol and one. (21-18). 10 points na at least, no, mga 9 to 10 points na itong si JP Tongkol taking over on that first quarter, getting majority of the points para dito sa Region 2. Si Baltazar kanina naka 3 points din on their end. But let's see sino pang mga players ang magpapakilala. Layugan naka-score din kanina on that layup for Region 2. Meanwhile for Davao, JP Kudo, he has been amazing for them. And what a move as well by Patrick Torrejas. I should say that is a Gustin Gorea getting that basket. Kanina si Torrejas naka-steal. Talking about Patrick for Davao. Very smart player itong si PJ Tongkol. Knows how to get things done. Knows how to use his body. Itong si PJ. So akala ni PJ it was on an act of shooting. Sabi ng ating referee, sa baba ang tawag. Tossing it in. Sending it out. Laguyan with 12 seconds. Looking to split. He is successful. Bitin ang kanyang layup. A held ball on that one na huli. Pumahawak itong si Angelo Manuel. (23-18) ang ating score. A 5-point lead para dito sa kampo ng Davao. Again, for today, we have a 10-game schedule. This is our 10th game, or this is our 3rd game of 10. After nito, under 14 matchup naman tayo. It is Zamboanga, tsaka Laguna LBDL Gallants. Magandang laban yan. Both teams coming off losses. Yung isa galing sa overtime, yung isa nadali nung huli, nung last moments. So it will be a nice game for us mamaya, a treat as we are approaching the halfway point agad ng ating game day for today. But so far, Davao taking control here, 25-18. Pito ang kanilang abante. Gorea sends it on that drive. Last pass, basket is short. Di makakakuha ng pagkakataon doon, pero itong Region 2, PJ and company, they will look to add more points. Baltazar couldn't hit his second three on that run, scooping in 2 points. 27-18, siyam na bigla ang abante ng mga Davao players from SJS. Looking to operate on the post itong si Castillo falling down, good recovery. Again, Davao, yung kanilang depensa, really tight so far. A 3 on the way, and it's in. Hansel Defensor. No defense that time. All offense for Hansel Defensor. A 3 that sends them to an 11-point lead and also sends us to our timeout.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
Nakabawi after that timeout, Freymark Baltazar. Meron na siyang 5 puntos dito sa ating laro after hitting that 3. Pero 9 na puntos ang kanilang hahabulin dito. Itong SGS Davao, they look to add more points on the board. Gustin couldn't get that basket to go. Gorea had a clean look, just couldn't knock it down. (30-21) ang ating score. With 3:25 remaining. Looks to operate on the post once again. Gorea, nice spin on the left. Kaso naabangan on that last one. Believe that was Pineda looking to make a move with 3:13 to go. Timeout na naman tayo from an 11-point lead. 9 na lang for Region 2 pero bola pa rin ang Davao.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat
Gorea will be fouled on that move. Kakabalik lang natin sa timeout. Meron agad foul na naitawag with 2:55 remaining dito sa ating quarter number 2. Again, if this continues on the side of Davao, it is an advantage for them. Starting out strong, building this lead dito sa ating second quarter dahil we had a close game on the opening moments. Yun nga lang, talagang nakakuha ng buwelo itong mga Davaoenyo nating mga kapatid from SJS. So at the line here, we'll look to add more points. Bitin yung unang free throw. As I see on the court once again, itong si Defensor who hit that big 3 kanina, itong si Hansel to force that timeout. 1 out of 2, 10 puntos ang kalamangan, Region 2. Still figuring out this Davao defense. Look at how physical, how close Defensor is on that last one without giving out a foul. That's really impressive. Talagang tinayuan lang ni Defensor ng maigi without excessive contact, without, some extra hand movement, forcing that almost tough pass na na-rescue lang because of a foul. Here's PJ Tungkol, bumps, shoots, and scores. What a start, what a game para kay PJ Tungkol, nagpapakilala dito sa ating Battle of the Champions. Leading Region 2 here in scoring. Now he will play defense. Caught on that fake, nice steal on the other side. Goes for this cross, Castillo all the way. Back-to-back mix. 31-25. 6 na lang ang hinahabol dito ng Region 2, down by as much as 11 sa dami ng naibigay na foul ng Region 2. It is now a penalty situation on the side here. Patrick Torrejas will now be at the line. Had a steal, had a layup kanina. Uses the glass for safety that time. One more time. Same result. So sinasadya talaga ni Torrejas yun. Yung ganong free throw. Did it twice. And nauuso yung ganyan sa mga other leagues. Especially in the international. Sa Korean basketball leagues, nauuso yung mga pinapa-board ring yung free throw. So maybe adapting the same concept. As Castillo brings the ball down. Here's PJ. Wants to attack. PJ Tungkol. Unstoppable. What a drive. Just putting Region 2 on his back. Like how PJ reads that defense perfectly. Went straight at the defense. Had some body control to manage the bump and hit that basket in and one. Let's see if he can complete this three-point play. PJ. Successful on that attempt. 1:10 remaining. Five-point lead na lang ang hinahabol dito ng Region 2. Davao looking to add more points here. At dahil merong foul na naman on the side of Region 2, penalty na naman. Free throw on the way here once again. Didn't hit that time was Torrejas. Again, kanina nakadalawang board ring siya na free throw. On the other side, parang medyo napalakas. So let's see on the second one if he can make the same one. So yeah, sinasadya na talaga. It's official. 3 out of 4 for that board ring free throw. Looking to break it in. Here's PJ once again. All alone on that one. Wanting to take over itong si Tungkol. Spins, shoots, balti with a miss. Offensive rebound, naagawan sa baba. Torrejas with a strip. Looking to rescue. Looking to get the screen with 43 seconds to go. 6-point lead, 34-28. Final 34 seconds. 5 seconds on the shot clock, needing to hurry. Sending it out, passes it in, saktong-sakto. Using all 24 seconds to manufacture that shot. Tungkol one more time. He is just so aggressive in this game. Just getting opportunities after opportunities. Dami kong nababasa sa ating comment section supporting PJ Tungkol. And he's really making the most out of this exposure na meron siya sa Junior MPBL. On the side of Region 2, again putting the whole region on his back. Team from Apong, Cagayan. Here he is once again. Was stopped. Castillo this time. Di diskarte. Siya naman ang susubok at the free throw area. Lester Castillo. Off on that free throw. So that's back-to-back misses for PJ Tungkol and Lester Castillo. Make it 3 straight misses. But it was rescued. Good recovery by Laguyan. He pulls up the 3 of the mark. Castillo couldn't get that board. With 3.3 seconds to go. Davao susubukang maka-score isa pang beses. Lot of time to catch, dribble, and shoot here. Need to be successful. So a lot of commotion happening right on my peripheral. Pero in the end, lamang pa rin naman ng 6 na puntos itong Davao. Or make it 5-point lead. 36-31. We are at halftime. Davao pa rin ang merong kalamangan.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito
Quick halftime break. Nagbabalik tayo dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League, home of the Pocket League. Itong Banana Court, pero Battle of Champions tayo dito. Baron Mercado covering the action. PJ Tungkol hindi pa rin tumitigil para dito sa Region 2. Again, this arena na meron tayo dito na pinaglalaroan natin, the Banana Court in Las Piñas. This is home of the Pocket League, kaya lagi kong nababanggit yung Pocket League dito because this is the majority of our venue. But so far, we are seeing Battle of Champions. PJ Tungkol playing like a champion in this game, getting majority of the points, aggressive inside, and every time he touches the ball, puro positive ang nangyayari dito sa Region 2. As PJ once again at the line, knocks it down on the first. Second free throw is in. 36-35. Just beginning our third quarter. What a spin! Di nga lang papasok, nagkabanggaan on that rebound battle. I believe that's that PJ. That is Angelo Manuel will be called for that foul. Sinalubong itong si Makabinta. (36-35). (36-35). Didiskarte isa pa. Patrick sends it for this jumper. That is off the mark. PJ secures that rebound. He has been doing all for Region 2. Talking about Tungkab. PJ. Didiskarte once again. Tungkol now out of the picture. Castillo sends it out for 3 off the mark. Here's Lester Castillo. Gives Region 2 the lead for the first time since the early moments of our game. Lester Castillo sticking it to that play. Tungkol and company will play defense off the mark. A block by PJ. Pero merong foul na itatawag. Gustin Gorea at the line will miss on the first. Dito sa ating pangalawa, tignan natin if Davao can tie this ball game once again. And he does. 37 all tayo. Upo muna itong si Roldan Danga. After missing that 3, tingnan natin if makakabawi siya in the couple of moments. And a steal on the other side. Nice read. Lefty finish is good. What a finish. Nice read as well. The other side, tatawagan pa rin ng foul. Patrick Torrejas. 39-37. Region 2 pa rin ang may possession dito. Looking to operate once again. That's Paul Salvador in this game. Going to work here. Nice drop pass. Fakes, shoots, and scores. Nice find by Layugan. Spins, attacks. Nice defense. Tatakbo mga taga-Cagayan. Going for that attack. Referees will call a dribbling violation. Sayang naman. Could have built something here. Itong Region 2. So far we are back and forth with 6 minutes to go dito sa ating third quarter. 39 all pa rin ang ating score. Torrejas directing traffic. Here's Patrick. Door was closed. JP with a finish. Isa sa mga magagandang laro for Davao today, itong si JP Cudo. Mabuhay is also in this game. Sama na sila Salvador and company. One dribble, pull up, 3 off the mark para dito kay Renz Layugan. Couldn't continue yung kanyang scoring ways. Here's PJ on that drive. Merong bangga on that last one. Usually kapag ganyan, it's just the defender taking that bump. Layugan was caught moving on that play. Kaya naman itong si JP Cudo, they diskarte on the free throw area, looking to add more points on his name. Here's JP. So far ang highlight natin dito, JP Cudo. versus PJ Tungkol. So JP versus PJ on the scoring column. That time, effective yung strategy na ginagawa ni Patrick Torrejas on that free throw area. Nice handoff. Masyadong malakas. Balti couldn't finish on the follow-up. Nice pass. PJ Kudo and one. Went an extra step higher. Itong si JP Kudo. Tatawagan ng foul itong si Daven Mabuhay. But if you look at that play, Kudo going an extra step, parang tumaas yung talon nito ni JP Kudo. 44-39. That time, bank shot didn't go in. Rebound secured by Paul Salvador. Here's Balti. Nice find. Basket is good. Pintukan enters the scoring column here, I believe, for the first time. Nice find by Frey Mark Baltazar on that strip. Fight for that ball. James Caraw involved on that scuffle. Balik ang bola dito sa Region 2. Final 4 minutes 35 remaining dito sa ating contest. Early in the morning, 10:15. Pero meron na tayong mga basketball na napapanood. This is our third game of 10 for today. 10 o'clock in the morning. Kaya marami pa tayong aabangan as that foul was called on that Nathaniel Pintukan attempt. Everyone is catching up on that free throw using the glass. Kasi usually, kapag ganyan sinasabi, tsamba yung mga ganong tira. Pero so far, we have seen a lot of players doing the same diskarte. Nakukuha yung mga pabandang free throw na yan. Getting those two. Pintukan makes it 4 points in a row for him. Here's Kudo on that drive. Last decision. Last second pass. Here is PJ Tungkol. Nagbalik na. Balti, what a look. Has made a countless of pass. Sila ni Pintukan has been the problem here for Davao. Balti with some good playmaking skills. Pintukan with 6 straight points. 45-44. Goes for the top fadeaway. Kisses it off the glass. What a shot by Patrick Torrejas. Here's Balti once again. This time, shoots a 3. Umalog lang palabas. Freymark couldn't control or couldn't add more on his name. Torrejas once again loves this matchup against this defender. One bump shot and the bank is always open. Daven Mabuhay goes down. Another bank shot for Patrick Torrejas. 48-45 is the score. Balik kay Balti. Another 3-pointer. That will not fall. Almost getting that friendly roll. Triple team here. Nice rescue. Torrejas sends it. Better read on the side by Balti. Mabuhay is open on the left side. Loses it. It is recovered. A lot of players slipping down, falling down. Defensor couldn't handle the rock. Upo muna si Pintukan. Upo muna si Caraw for Region 2. Danga, susuporta pa rin. Balti. Here's Salvador on the drive. Paul Salvador and one. Salvador completes the 3-point play nearing the last 2 minutes. It's 48 all as we head into a fourth quarter na tabla na naman, dikit na naman for the second straight game. Gustin Gorea, tsaka itong sila Paul Salvador, PJ Tungkol. Banging bodies down low, but so far, rising up to the occasion for Davao, PJ, or I should say JP Kudo. Medyo nakakalito na, PJ, JP, tas parehas pa silang umi-score dito. Of course, PJ Tungkol is the main man of this Cagayan squad. Meanwhile, PJ Kudo, one of the premier guards for SJS Davao. Hindi nga lang pumasok yung kanyang free throw. Here's PJ Tungkol speaking of himself, and that is a good job drawing a foul. Knows how to use his body. And of course, ang galing dumiskarte. Alam kung kailan talaga pipito ang referees dito. Kaya every time PJ Tungkol receives that ball, if I am Davao, I would rather let him shoot from the perimeter than go inside the paint. Dahil mas effective si PJ kapag going for those drives. Not much on the perimeter so far dito sa ating laro. Pasok yung kanyang unang free throw. Makes it both. (50-49) ang ating score dito, lamang ang Region 2. A minute 25. Rebound by Salvador. Here's Paul sending out the left. Balti on the attack. Erase that time. And sends it out to Balti. Good effort. Good recognition. On the side of the screen, I see JC Lumba. Binabantayan na itong si JP Kudo. Off ball. Yun nga lang, balik ang bola sa Region 2. Offensive foul ang itinawag sa Davao. Final minute in this third quarter. A steal on the other side. Here's Patrick Torrejas. Dribbling violation. So for Region 2, nakakadalawang force na sila ng error. Referees looking to control this game. A lot of whistling happening off ball. As I look at the officials' table, so we regain momentum in this game. 54.9, 50-49 lamang ang Region 2. Again, getting physical as we approach the fourth quarter. Lumba guarded by Kudo in this one. Pass was a bit off. They discarded this time. Layugan. PJ Tungkol. They will look to operate. This is Paul Salvador. Erased one more time. Kudo looking to score here. Let's see if he can defeat the defense of Layugan. A good matchup on the guard position. Corner jumper is good. What a pass, what a shot. Balik sa Davao ang kalamangan. 51-50. And again, drawing another foul is PJ Tungkol. Again, I would rather give PJ Tungkol that jumper any time of the day rather than him operating down low, going for those drives. This is really a takeover para kay PJ Tungkol. Calmly sinking the first. Knocks down the second. Balik ang kalamangan sa Region 2. 1 point lead lamang. Balti holding off. Jump ball. Agabin tsaka itong si Balti fighting for that possession. 3.7 to go. Third quarter pa lamang tayo. Heading into the fourth. Kudo couldn't find an open shot. Good defense by Region 2. If that is the end of our third quarter, I don't know what will happen in the fourth. 52-51, close contact, physical action dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Jr. MPBL Battle of Champions.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
Start of the fourth quarter, Patrick Torrejas starts it off with a pick-off and a layup. Kalamangan, balik sa Davao. If I were to sum up yung ating third quarter, it was physical. Yun lang. Dikit na dikit ang laban. Umiinit na yung competition natin dito in the Battle of Champions. Region 2 having a late read on that lead. Pero itong si Torrejas nakakuha ng steal ng basket. Pineda looking to make it consecutive for him. Now on the run, Paul Salvador finding Layugan. Couldn't find that basket. So other than Tungkol, kailangan merong mag-step up. Nice fake. A smart play. Patrick Torrejas once again making things possible for Davao. 55-52. Again, aside from Tungkol, sino pa ang pwedeng pumuntos? Turning the ball over, itong si Layugan. So habang nag-i-struggle ang Region 2 to start the fourth, this is the time for Davao to run away with this one. Guarded closely here by Pintukan. Magandang kanyang performance ng third quarter. Had 6 points. Or I should say nung third quarter, itong si Pintukan. 55-52 has entered the game. Kudo with a miss. Our leak out play. Here's Pintukan. Can't finish. Couldn't make it 8 points for his name. Castillo looking to steal that ball. Nice tap. Referees meron ng tawag on that one. Nawala na yung bola on the side of Davao. Balik sa Region 2. Castillo has the leather. Lester all the way. What a move. A much needed basket for Lester Castillo in Region 2. Egay Layugan will be called for that foul. Basket won't count. If you are Region 2, para dito kay Egay Layugan, just control. Kailangan mo lang mag-control dito. Medyo may halong gigil on his side. Just need to control the pace. Nice stop. Castillo with a steal. Scoring earlier, now getting the ball. Castillo again. That won't fall. Babalik kay Egay. Layugan cannot continue the play because Castillo is down. Might have landed awkwardly dun sa kanyang right ankle. As you see on the bottom of the ring there, tinutulungan siya ng kanyang mga akampi and of course our medical staff with 6:42 remaining here, 55-54 lamang ang Davao. JP Cudo tsaka itong si Patrick Torrejas, silang dalawa ang bumubuhat para dito sa Davao scoring wise. But you got a lot of players on that squad also contributing. Pineda has played well. Si Gorrea has had his moments. That's why they're up here by 1. Egay on that step back 3. Good! Renz Wayne Layugan making that 3. Nakakabasa ako ng mga relatives ni Egay Layugan. Nanunood na, tuwa siguro. Dun sa step back 3-pointer made by Layugan again. Just needs to be in control. Talking about Layugan, him and etong si Balti, maganda ang kanilang combination dito pag pinagsabay sila. So a challenge for Layugan, just be in control. Speaking of control, Mabuhay and company looking to control this offense of Davao. Baseline drive, tied once again. Five minutes 35 remaining. Tabla tayo at 57. Here's Egay, another 3. Late second pass, goes for that attack. Danga with 7 to go. Loses that ball on that spin. Naitawid din for Davao. Gorrea. Defensor has hit 1 3-pointer early. Nice denial on Cudo. Referees will call a foul on Paul Salvador. .505 remaining. Tabla tayo at 57. Timeout muna.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Ligan.
Doon lang, sa tapat. 5 minutes remaining. Nakakuha agad ng puntos ang Davao of that timeout. Here's Egay Layugan for 2. There you go, having that control. 5 straight points para kay Layugan. Bawi ang puntos doon ng Davao. 59. All ang ating score. Patrick Torrejas, 3 off the mark. Salvador. Merong kiskisan dun sa ilalim. .420 to go. Muntik na namang magulo ang pwesto doon nila Ma'am Chi. .59 all. 4 minutes remaining. Jumper. Ayan na nga. Sabi ko, hayaan na lang si PJ Tungkol mag-shoot ng mga jumpers. That time, he delivered. Put back won't fall para kay Gorea. And now on the run, Egay Layugan. 5 points in the fourth quarter. Here's Balti. Yan na yung pagsasabay nila. Layugan for 3. That is off the mark. Could have been big. Could have been a big shot para dito kay Egay Layugan. Tatawagan ng foul itong si PJ Tungkol. Pero with 3 minutes 29, penalty na po ang Region 2. So De Guzman will be at the line here. Knocks down the first one. One more time. Tie at 61. PJ Tungkol. This is his time to take over. PJ cannot force the issue. Guzman secures that rebound. Approaching the final 3 minutes of this contest. Tied at 6-1. Another close ball game on our sights. Torrejas. Basket won't fall. A chance to run. Salvador. Pass it to PJ. Tungkol all the way. Unstoppable. PJ Tungkol. Kudo ko rin answer. Merong tulak on that rebound battle. Defensor will be called for a foul. Freymark Baltasar starts off the play. Receiving that ball is PJ Tungkol. Nice swipe from behind. So PJ Tungkol, tatawagan na naman ng foul. 3 personal fouls on PJ. 2:28 remaining. Free throws once again. Gustin Gorea naman ang masusubukan. In and out on that attempt. One out of 2. 63-62. Approaching 2 minutes 20. Egay Layugan merong 5 points in the fourth quarter. Hitting that step back 3 tsaka yung layup on that finish. PJ Tungkol has been eating up the competition so far. Again, 63-62. Here's PJ once again. Will use this pick by Layugan. Here's Egay. 5 seconds to go. Looking for that cross. Emergency. Shot. That won't go. Good defense by Davao. 63-62. Again yung po score natin, 63-62. Lamang ang Region 2 ng isa. Whistle. Possession. Going in on Region 2. They play one more stop. A minute 52. Timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
(63-62). Region 2 with a 1-point lead. Balti. Big shot. Sana. Couldn't convert. Defensor secures that rebound. Tojeras can be that player to make some big baskets. Gorea with a spin. Gustin misses on that attempt. Ball will go back to Region 2. 63-62. Lamang ng isa. Itong Region 2. Danga will give it to their main man, PJ. Tungkol. Guarded closely by the Guzman. Here's Balti on the attack. 10 seconds to go. PJ with a fake. Sends it in the corner. Danga stepping back, shooting. Missing on that three. Leaking out. Rejected by Danga. What a defensive play. Roldan Danga perhaps with one of the biggest defensive stops of the game. Balti secures that rebound. Now going for the push. Egay will be stripped. Merong foul before that steal. Or during that steal. Egay Layugan will foul out of this game. Defensor missing on the first. Babawi sana siya after being blocked by Danga on that last one. .3 a close contest. Misses both. Tungkol securing that rebound. Without Egay Layugan, Balti and crew needing to hold it off here. 1 point lead for Region 2. Kanila ang bola. Final 36.8. We'll have a short break.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah.
36.8 remaining. Dito sa ating laro, 1-point lead for Region 2. 63-62, Davao will play one more time. Tungkol lost the ball. On the run, JP Kubo for 2. And a steal by Davao. Final 15. What action we are seeing here. Davao making one big stop. And that finish by JP Kudo. S 15.2. JP Kudo at the line. Makes free throw number 1. Makes it both. 3-point lead, 66-63. They're looking for a big three. Oh, Danga was rejected back. Went for that three. JP Kudo erases that shot. 7.5 to go. Region 2 down by 3. Leaking out. There's a push. Defensor caught on that one. Only their third team foul. May dalawa pang foul na pwedeng ibigay. Itong Davao, actually that's not a bad idea. Just quick fouls can disrupt the offense here. But no silly fouls. 5.5. Sends it out, throws it. Miss. And Davao secures this victory. It was a fun exchange until the final, 20 seconds of this game. JP Kudo finishing it off with defense and the game-winning basket and free throw. What a game, 66-63. Davao running away with this one. That's game number 3. Number 4 tayo, under 14 division. Laguna taking off against Zamboanga this time. Tignan natin kung anong mangyayari after this break.